New year, same us.
Same us. Hi guys and gals, welcome to our first video of 2022. This is our baseline video. It is the foundation that we're building from. This is going to be the worst video of 2022.
Has to be.
It has to be because it's the first one and we build on top of that. So, worst video you're going to see all year. Good news is it's just going to keep getting better. 1% every week.
It was kind of when you say that this is going to be the worst video of the year for sure.
It's still better than the last video we did last year.
Still better, but it's sort of like it's like a positive and negative reinforcement.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of interesting when you really think about it. We're not going to go too deep into that though. We're getting a little deep.
Yeah.
But 2022 is here, guys. We're here. You're here. Thank you for being here. And thank you for everybody who subscribed over the last couple weeks when we weren't even posting videos. Y'all were apparently bored over the holidays. But we appreciate it. And we've got one big question for you guys. One big question. Why would Nissan do this to us? Why would they do it to y'all?
I don't get it.
I don't get it. We don't get it. You don't get it.
I'm shocked actually.
I think people at Nissan are shocked. Some people at Nissan.
I don't get it because I had people asking last year, hey, do you think the taillights, what's up with the taillights? You think they're gonna go away? And my answer at that time was no, because
absolutely not.
It's such a hot seller for Nissan. It's probably the thing that we sell the most of if you take,
commodities,
hood bumpers out of the way.
Oil filters and
all that stuff out of the way. But we sell a ton of taillight kits, and now Nissan has yanked the rug out from underneath us. Yes. And now I look like a liar. So I apologize to you guys.
People coming out of the woodwork after Tom for something he said a year ago, and it's fine. It's fine. I'm not going to lock you up over it.
I had to make all my social media accounts private. All the negative comments.
So that being said, 180SX kooky taillights, which are y'all's favorite taillights in the world. If they're not, then just get. The lower metal garnish for those taillights is discontinued. The left taillight, the right taillight, the center lamp, the lock cylinders, they're all still available right now. I got a feeling that those are probably gonna dry up eventually, even though they haven't marked them as discontinued. All of that being said, we've got some taillights in stock.
Yeah.
Lot of comments online about pricing changes, demand changes, supply changes. It's basics.
Economics.
So, yes, the price did go up on them. Unfortunately, if you looked at the price of anything, compare it to a year ago, and I guarantee you the prices are probably higher. Do it. Do some research. I did some research.
You did?
I did. Because I was interested. I was like, okay, everybody's mad about the price of these taillights. What is the price of, say, a set of taillights for a 21 and up Rogue? And this one surprised me. So the 21 up Rogue that has 4 lights, so it's got 2 body, 2 tailgate halves, $1,931.
Okay.
Now, these prices are MSRP. Nissan Armada, current year model Armada, $1,522. 22 Titan Pro 4X. We actually had a customer buy these for his Titan because he wanted to upgrade his taillights from his earlier model. $1,843.
And that's just 2 taillights.
It's just 2 taillights, left and right. That's it. So let's compare apples to apples here. S13 taillights. What's the price on them now? $962.
$962, I believe.
Somewhere in there.
Yeah, plus shipping.
I priced out the basic kit for a 240SX US car. So the taillights that everybody's throwing in the trash.
When they were available, right?
When they were available. Right. So the pricing hasn't changed as the economy has changed. They're stuck in, probably 1995.
The discontinued year price.
Yeah. So they don't change that price. So the old price on those, $1,011.
Right, and that's 20 years ago.
undesirable part.
Then.
Yeah. S14, same scenario. It's all discontinued, but I priced out the kooky S14 taillights, what they last were. And that's 3 pieces, $1,029. And I just mention all this just because I think that, you know, it's worth noting that, you know, if you're one of the people who are in the realm of it's too expensive, well, what does that mean?
I mean, it is a lot of money.
It is. It definitely is. But, you know, it kind of is what it is at this point. They're gone. The sets that are left are the sets that are left. And once the sets are gone, and we're only selling them as a set right now, I mean, yeah. So, that being said, I've said that being said 20 times in this video already.
I've been counting, yeah.
Yeah. We've got a promo code this week. So if you guys want to snag a set, and you're going to save 10%, so you're going to save almost $100.
Yeah.
So hop on that while you can. Like I said, once these are gone, they're going to be gone. But the coupon code, are you ready?
Let's not give it out yet.
Let's not give it out yet. Okay.
No, because we still got a few
off.
more things to talk about.
Yeah.
I think.
We've definitely got a few more things to talk about. Go ahead. Jump in.
I'm just saying that these, you know, the S13s that this taillight kit is for, was only available for, what, 5 years ago. You know, the American market cars.
Right.
They only sold them in this country for 5 years, and the newest one's almost 30 years old.
Yeah.
Right. So the fact that these are still available, were still available,
Yeah.
you know, was awesome. So if you can swing it, get it while you can, because if you've been sitting on the fence, now's the time to do it, especially with this coupon code.
And the thing is, I've seen these online from other vendors, and they're more than ours.
Right. And
So we haven't completely lost our minds.
right. And I'm sure you guys have looked them up too, just to see, hey, those dudes at Nissan Parts CC are crazy. Then you look them up, and then you see actually they still have a good price on them.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, these are collector cars now.
Right.
They are past being just hobby cars. These are, you know, cars that are just going up and up in value.
Right.
So
Right.
your car is an investment.
It is. If you want us to do a giveaway on these taillights, you're gonna have to help us out. We kicked it around. We were like, you know, we don't want to do a giveaway on these. They're gone. They're discontinued. Why would we give them away?
Right.
That's crazy.
That was my argument.
And I told Tom, I said, look, if we can get 5,000 views on this video, first video of the year, it's gonna be the worst video of the year. But if we can get 5,000 views on it, we'll do a giveaway. As soon as it hits 5,000, we'll do a giveaway. And you'll get a free set of taillights. Everybody loves, I mean, I think we've done 2 or 3 taillight giveaways, and that's always a really popular one.
Yeah.
So hop on your Instagram, share it on Facebook, share the video, help us out a little bit, help us get some new subscribers to start the year off. We got a lot of cool stuff planned for this year. We've been talking about. We'll see if we can. Do the things that we want to do.
Parts are. My logic is this: parts. I mean, these parts are not going to be around forever.
No.
Right. So if you have a car and you're intending on keeping it for a long time, and if you can afford it, just start thinking about, you know, what do I want for this vehicle that is still available, and what can I get still, and start stockpiling it, because I'm doing that now.
Well, we've had a couple people who have bought these taillights that been longtime customers of ours who are buying them just to throw them on the shelf to have them, because they know that, you know, they might break a taillight or they might buy another S chassis. That's the thing. I mean, a lot of these guys, you know, a lot of you are buying 3 and 4 240S.
Or buy a set, hold on to it for a year, and turn around and sell it, make some money.
Right. So the coupon code, what do you think? What do you think we should do?
Let's keep it simple, and kind of crappy, because this is our crappiest video of the year. So baseline, foundation. So this week's coupon code is
coupon code 10%.
That adds up.
And that's the coupon code.
Yeah, coupon code is your coupon code.
That's it. Just like that. Coupon code.
Don't call us and say, hey, what's the coupon code? Because we'll say yes.
It is.
Yeah.
It's true.
You got it.
You heard it here. But we got a lot happening. Next week's video, we're gonna hit you guys with a lot of new parts. We've got a lot of new parts, but we wanted to focus in on these taillight kits for this video. And we've got a lot of stuff, a lot of transition going on right now, a lot of busy work, a lot of stuff on hold until the end of this month.
Right.
But you know, we'll get through January. Good way to start the year off is with the, you know, calamity.
Yeah.
Calamity.
Because you can only go up.
That's the word of the day. That's not the coupon code. That should have been the coupon code. That's not it.
Has this been on cam? Can they even see that, Russell?
Oh man,
Let's bring it up. This is what is causing all the grief.
Discontinued. The metal garnish. And this is different than your US version or Japanese version that doesn't have the kooky tail lights. These are different. So
it's a crucial part of that kit.
Talk to your boy, your cousin, whoever, because I know somebody out there has thought they were smarter and done it. And be careful, don't go buy the left and right taillights from somebody else because you found them for a good deal, because you hit us up for this lower garnish, we're not going to sell it to you. So
there you go.
Be careful.
Oh well.
Didn't happen, so. All right, later guys.